If you want to understand Python fast, this video is for you. Let's start with the basics that really matter. Print to console. Get user input. String concatenation. String formatting. String formatting. String formatting. Type conversion to int. Type conversion to float. Type conversion to string. Check type. Get length. Get memory address. Delete variable. Check if object is instance of class. Get all attributes of an object. This was just the beginning. In part 2, we'll cover numbers and math where most beginners make mistakes. If you really want to understand Python, hit subscribe. Which function was new for you today? Drop your answer